Hi everyone, this is Fahim Faisal. I have a very important purpose of this life. In this life, I will share with you something important, which is a challenge that I recently thought of. I came on Facebook Live last night after a few days, and I came up with this amazing idea that I believe you must learn and implement. It's chain 10 days broadcasting challenge idea. Okay, uh, broadcasting is really important for you if you are an affiliate marketer or an online entrepreneur. Okay, you need to master this skill of broadcasting, because if you want to share your values, you can do it through Facebook lives. And Facebook lives are really helpful and efficient way to share your message to the world. So in this broadcasting challenge, you will become an expert in the next 10 days. So the idea is like this. Okay, I will come on Facebook Live every day for once for 10 consecutive days. Okay, for 10 days I will come on Facebook Live, and it's a must. I have to do it. No matter what I talk about, no matter the topic, I have to come on Facebook Live every single day. So you can choose any topic. Okay, you can choose any topic, it's up to you, but the rule is you have to come on Facebook Live every single day for 10 days. So this is the actually 10 days broadcasting challenge, and it will help you a lot. Okay, if you are affiliate marketer, it will help you a lot. Okay, broadcasting is a skill that you must exercise, and you must become an expert in broadcasting. Because if you're an affiliate marketer, imagine when you talk with your prospect customer on the phone, and if you do not master this skill, you will not know what to say. You will be stuck, you will become anxious, you will become nervous. So to avoid this nervousness, you have to practice every day. And if you do Facebook lives for 10 days, it will help you overcome those anxiety and nervousness. Okay, so this is the purpose of this challenge. So if you are watching this and if you want to take part in this challenge, write in the comment challenge accepted or hashtag challenge accepted. And if you accept this challenge, you have to come on Facebook live for 10 days. So this is my day one. Today I came, and this is my day one Facebook live, and I will come on come every day for 10 days, and I will talk about interesting topics. Anything, whatever I choose, I will talk on interesting topics. And I accepted this challenge, and this is day one. So today I will talk about something called the elephant chain syndrome. Okay, I believe it will be helpful for you. The elephant chain syndrome, what is it? Well, earlier this morning I saw a Facebook post which talked about the elephant chain syndrome. And one of my favorite friends on Facebook, who is Mariam Asim, who shared this post. And this is very important. Okay, what is this? The thing is, think about an elephant. When the elephant is a baby elephant, the circus trainer, they chain that elephant. Okay, and the elephant is a baby elephant, and it does not have enough strength, so it cannot break that chain, and it stays there. Okay, and this elephant slowly grow, and it becomes a giant elephant now. But it thinks that it cannot break that chain. Okay, because it has been there all its life. Now it has the strength to break that chain, but it thinks that it cannot. Okay, this is the elephant chain syndrome. Okay, uh, most of us, we have this syndrome. We believe that we cannot become successful on something because we failed once or a few times. Okay, we act like that elephant. The elephant is a giant elephant now, but still it thinks that it cannot break that chain. Okay, So we have to break those beliefs, we have to break those beliefs and come out of them to really gain the potentialities of our life. Okay, just because you failed for once on something, that doesn't mean you will fail all your life. Okay, so it's really unnecessary to think this way. So I hope you understood the elephant chain syndrome. And once again, this is my day one. I will come on Facebook Live tomorrow, and I will talk about something important. And I accepted the challenge, 10 days broadcasting challenge. If you want to accept the challenge, write in comments challenge accepted. And it will really help you to become an expert in broadcasting. And you need to become an expert in broadcasting, you have to come on Facebook Live to share your values. So the more you practice, the more expert you will become. Okay, practice makes a man perfect. So talk with you again in tomorrow's live. And if you want to take part of this, welcome, accept the challenge. So see you in my future lives. Goodbye until then.